go like this. Let's run the chat game. Okay, computer, put it up there. I need the thing. Can we please finish compiling and put it up there? And generating code, finished, done, completed. Oh, there we go. All right. That was rough. A little rough, not gonna lie. Okay, let's take out the display capture. Let's add application audio capture, audio browser, source display capture, game capture, window capture. Window capture? Create new window capture, Twitch chat game, automatic, capture cursor, that's fine. So is that what people see? Is this, where's the actual stream on here? Actually, let me just go look at my stream. I'll just... There. Mute it, mute it. Okay, so it is showing. Alright, and then we have this stuff over here. Cool, alright. So it is working. So I can do whatever I want now. Like peruse through the past. Then when somebody comes in, we will hear what's going on. And then we can just, yeah. What do I want to work on? There we go. Actually, that's not a bad idea either. Oh, that would be a really good idea. Because with Shader Toy, you're allowed to put any texture you want into the thing. So that may be one of the next things we could do with the Shader Playground. Oh, that's a good idea. That's a good idea, Jeff. Excuse me. So modular functions, that's one. That would be fun to play around with today. I have no idea what I would be doing with that, but yeah, okay. And then users selected texture. Integration or whatever. Okay. Okay. So the bitmap font would be good too. See, for that one, we would do the bitmap font. See. So then in the shader thing, because the other thing I wanted to do was glyphs for. Let's see, where's it at? Yeah, right here. So the other thing in the Shader Playground I wanted to do was glyphs for a custom font. Glyphs for custom font. And we'll just start with digital. Start with a digital font. There we go. Alright, so that's cool. That's a good idea. What's this? What's this one? Oh, that excuse me, that one's cool. That's just, yeah, we could do that with a shader though. That would be good to do with a shader, and then yes. In fact, let's go look. Hold on. Alright, there you go. You did your flashing. There we go. Everybody's whatever. Oh, okay. Let's just go vortex. Well, I've already searched for a vortex. Okay, what's this one? This one? These? Any of these? Anything? Bueller? Bueller? There's only 187 results for Vortex. It's not a big deal. Ba-da-ba. Interesting. Oh, that one's really cool. Vortex simulation with a Voronoi track. Common? Oh, it's got all kind of functions and stuff. Cool. Oh, weird. That's weird. Why would you do that? That's weird. Alright, anyways. Bum, 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 bum. Oh yeah, I remember that. That's cool. We should do that again. Stuff like that. So what I'm doing is I'm running my chat game and I'm looking through all the stuff that I've got on here. Excuse me. There you go. Refinement, basic GUI, pickables. Okay. Early monsters, early alt tiles, early combo system. Okay, see, that's good. See, at one time I thought this was amazing, which it is, it still is, but I need to get re-amazed by the things that I can do. Instead of just thinking it's humdrum, you know? Because a lot of people would really be amazed by the things that I would be able to enable them to do. Because nobody can do any of these things without my code running on their computer. So I need to think about that in terms of what kind of an experience do I want people to have. What's the best way to deliver that? This is so cool. I remember this. That's so cool. It's been such a long time now. I'm getting re-fascinated with this. There you go. I think I disabled the, yeah. Okay, let's do a coding game here. Actually, let's go like that, and then there, and then in here, let's go back to window capture. Window capture, how come it says shorts? Weird. Okay, well it's hidden anyways. Or no, it's not. It's hidden. Let's go to display capture. So we can go into Clash of Code. Still a white screen, that's insane. See, this is really good stuff when I started to experiment with lighting. And this was when I was all crazy for the craze for the maze, my maze craze. That was my prime number thing. Oh my goodness. That could be a prime number wand. You know what I'm saying? Could be a wand of prime numbers. Come on, computer. How long do I have to deal with this white screen? This is insane. This is insane. It's still... Okay, it finally went away. My eyeballs returned to normal. I complain like I'm a computer. 1 or 0. Alright, I'm being silly. Look at your child. They don't know how to write properly. You'll be given a digit and 2 letters, old and new. Your task will be to channel your inner toddler and spell out digit in English by replacing all instances of old with new. If there's no old in the spelling of digit, then you should output its correct spelling. I have no idea what any of that means. For reference here, the expected correct spellings of all digits. So input 5, VF, output Fife. What? What the hell? Replacing all instances of old with new. You'll be given two letters old and new. There's no old in the spelling of digit. You should output its correct spelling. What? Why are you replacing instances of V with F in a word? I don't get it. I don't understand. I mean, I get it, but it's just I don't see why you would ever do that in the real world. I'm gone. I'm gone. Moving on. We have more important things. Not really, but sounds good. The Borg have landed a bizarre brick cube on our world. We have no idea where to go from here, or what will happen. And the little Minecraft nether people have landed with bizarre houses that look similar and familiar in shape and form. We have no idea where to go from here. Our planet is now fractal in continent size. We have no idea what will happen from here. Teleporter. Oh, computer. What are you doing? Oh. It overrode the music. That wasn't good. But it is cool. Alright. Now I have to go back and choose the music again. Son of a... I thought Microsoft knew how to do this multitasking thing. Can I not get another instance of this groove music thing going? I'm super critical of Microsoft and the coders and stuff. Because I was around before Windows. That's why. Oh yeah, I did a Vulkan thing. That's cool. Oh yeah, dude, what's up? Okay, let's look. Oh, that one's cool. Okay, I don't really... Oh, Terraria. Starbound. Oxygen not included. I remember that game, I don't remember its name. It was called something. It's in my Steam. That's a Triskele. Ooh. This is cool. This one here, hold the phone, Jeff. This one's cool too. Okay, hold on. So this one and this one. And then probably this one too, right? Yes. For inspiration. Okay. So interesting, you know, very interesting. Alright, let's go back to here. Go there. Okay. I was going to do Clash of Code. We're going back. Window capture? How come? What is this? Window capture shorts. Display capture. What is that? I don't know what that is. I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay. So what is this one? See, I love this pixel art. Look at that. There's enough here to definitely work on some pixel art stuff today. Is there no one here to help me test my TTS? Or actually, my chat game. Is there no one? Echo, echo, echo. Alright, we'll leave it, we'll wait. I will wait patiently for someone. I think I need probably a banana or something. Glyphs for custom font, modular functions. Alright, so maybe we could work on that. Hold on, just a second. How would we even do that, really, if we're looking at it? I don't know. Computer, why do you open not full screen? Son of a... This is probably the kind of a scene that I would make, and there's no lighting in it whatsoever. Everything's just lit, just bright. There are shadows, but they're not very distinct, so everything's just bright, which is very cool, actually. So there's that one. What else have we got? Alright, so like if I wanted to do modular functions today, which seems really interesting, the first thing would be just to like what's the default? Okay, now I'm gonna work on it. We'll come back to this. You know what, can we do this here? Here, give me this. Where is hold on. There. Go into here and here. Got it. Next. What is all this stuff in here? Where's the exe? Oh, right here? Okay. And what are we talking about? Oh, so this is the one. Okay, so let's copy this. To downloads. Chat. Do we want to put it in here? Might as well. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. And then we also need to put in there the alphabet. Let's go here. Miscellaneous. We can just copy the whole miscellaneous floor. It's not that big, is it? 57.8 megabytes. Oh my goodness, that's huge. It's huge. That's what she said. Okay, so now we've got this going. Wait, window capture, display capture. Okay, it's on window capture, but hold on. Bear with me here. If I turn that on there. Uh-oh. Oh, it needs the Twitch chat thing. Hold on. Because there was an error. Hold on. I need to copy the Twitch chat thing. Where is it? Son of a... Twitch chat log, Twitch stuff. There we go. Hold on. No, actually just in there. Paste. Alright. Computer, don't do that. Oh, the shader. Hold on. What shape? I have to run it. Say. File not successful. Oh, that's right. So what are the shaders? I have to copy that in here too. Do you know how to program, Jeff? Let's look. Okay, shaders and some blah blah blah. Okay. Oh yeah, Space B font 118 VS. I got you. Space B font 118 right there, and VS. Got you right there. Copy. Okay. You're hearing a play-by-play because there's nothing on screen until a few seconds from now when I paste that in and run the exe file. You see, now you can see what's on screen. And it captures that window. Okay, so I don't need the name of the thing. Alright. The wonders of OBS. That's not BS. Okay, so now I can work on it. Actually, something else. Because we're not running an instance of a Visual Studio whatever. We're running whatever we want. Okay, so what did I want to work on? Which one is it? Shader Playground Main Station Journey. Do I even have it in here, what I'm doing? No, I don't. So the Shader Playground, Jeff, I'll have you know, is not well documented. Let me look here. Shader Playground. Stream game with Twitch. Where's the Shader Playground? I tried that. For some reason it wasn't working. Okay, so we're fine. Everything's fine. So if I run this, is it going to mess up OBS with that? Let me see. Let's just run the Shader Playground. As soon as it gets done compiling and doing its thing. Hold on. 2 seconds. 1 second. It's running. Okay. So how's OBS? Okay. It's good. Doesn't have anything else going on. Can I switch this? I can switch it to the Shader Playground if I want to, and keep the chat game running in the background. That's cool. Of course we can do that. Why would you not think that we can do that? Okay. Alright, well, let's go like this. What's that? Why is it different? Why is it different? What is it showing? Oh, there. No, that's the Visual Studio. Window capture. No, let's just go to the Twitch game. Space Jam. Oh, what in the world, Jeff? Okay. Alright, well, for now, though, let's go like this. And because we can leave that running. And then we can work in here. Alright. Let's find something to try here. So what would be good? What would be a good one? You know, I really like the square in square. Excuse me. And then maybe to do something like this, we could do like a grid and then most of the grid will be smooth and shiny except for some of the grid, and then you will get an overlay of like some of the grid will do like blending with noise, like very few, like 2 or 3 spots out of like this grid we could make into like whatever grid we want. That'd be interesting. Okay, so what are we showing again? It's display capture, so whatever I look at. Okay. So let's see if we can load. What are we going to load? I don't care. Let's go to this one again. See what we can do. You know what? Let's do... Hold on just a second. What would be a really big one? Oh, that's the Y. I'm an idiot. There we go. That is very, very decent right there. Are we missing anything from it? I don't think we're missing anything from that. So that's point set. So let's save that one. I know it's only one, but that's fine. So new, let's just call this, okay, 1brick01 save. And then we also have the fragment shader, but let's go save shader group. Let's call this one large brick. And click outside, and then save shader group. Okay. Now let's go back to default. Okay. And then let's reload one large brick. Nice. Okay, perfect. So in order to make saving work, you can type whatever you want, but then you have to click outside of the box inside of a white space there, then click a button. That is an IMGUI thing, and I'm not sure how to work around or fix that, but I work within that framework when I work, so just passing that on to anybody else that might be of use to. That is such a cool spaceship. Okay, so what are we gonna do? Let me go get some orange juice and banana. So, be right back. 2 o'clock or maybe around 2 o'clock or something, we'll do another dose of coffee. Anybody else come along to type anything? Okay. What happened to the music? What are we doing? Abyss? It sounds like an abyss. Alright, moving on. Alright. So what do we have to do? What do we have to do? Like, if we want just the square, right? We want a frame outline. Excuse me. So what is that? It's actually what it is in terms of shader graphics. What you'd be doing is a line and then a line on the x-axis, then a line and a line on the y-axis. So that's what you'd be doing. So like, close the fragment shader or vertex shader. We're good with that. Max window. Okay. So let's just go like this. You know, I never really have done much with, let's see, vector 3. Let's go line. And then why don't we go, since there's only an X or a Y axis, let's just go Boolean axis. And then we should have a starting point, ending point, and a thickness. No, wait. Starting point, ending point does determine a thickness. Or a starting point and a thickness. Might as well just have starting and ending point. So just have a float of a start and a float of an end. Like that. And then what we're going to do is vector 4 line. So true is going to be the x-axis, I guess. It doesn't matter. Okay. Start. Let's start at 0.85. Let's go to 0.95. And we do have two colors. That's nice. I know they're funky colors, but let's copy them in. In fact, let's choose some different colors just because we're just going to choose some different colors here real quick. So I like this light blue. So half red, all green, all blue. Hold on. Half red. But let's go even less red. All green. All blue. Okay. And so that's the light blue, that'll be nice. And then what's another color that would be good? Let's go with kind of, there we go. Half red, all blue. Half red, no green, all blue. Let's go with those two colors. Okay, and then we don't need those colors there. So line true, there. Okay, we got two colors. Okay, if axis, actually I'm going to keep like that. Else we'll leave like, alright, fine. Actually that's bothering me. Put it back up, okay. Alright. Jeff, what? I don't know. Okay. So if we're on the right axis, if GL point chord dot x is, so let's say the starting point and the ending point. Okay, the starting point should always be from the center heading towards the outside. See, so 0.85 to 0.95. On the opposite side, it's going to be 0.85 to negative 0.85 to 0.95, right? So it's going to be the absolute value. But wait, it's GL point chord. Oh yeah, okay, hold on. So we need to adjust the UV. So let's do that in here too. So let's go GL point chord times 2, and then minus vector 2, 1. So that switches everything from negative 1 to 1, which is better. And that makes it UV, which is easier to type. And because I'm feeling a little bit more confident in my abilities here, just map point coordinate system from 0 to 1 to negative 1 to 1. Let's just leave out the fact that it was previously 0 to 1. If axis, okay. So now we can go if the absolute value of uv dot x is greater than or equal to start, and the absolute value of uv dot x, okay, which we can make a separate variable. Would that be better? Float c equals absolute value of x. If c is greater than start and c is less than or equal to end, okay, then we're going to return color 1. Oh, why do I tab? Why do you tab? Okay, then we'll go else return color 2. Okay, if it's not axis, then it's going to be float c equals absolute value uv dot y. Oh, wait a minute, we can go like this. Okay, why am I optimizing this bit? Float c, let's just go like this. C equals, and then we'll leave this outside here. So we're just going to change C. Yeah, there we go. Cool. Oh, we do need boundaries for the Y as well. See, I'm actually understanding here. So why don't we send in the X and we're also going to go in the Y direction. We're going to go (0.85, 0.95). That's the X. Okay, so we're going to change this now. Let's actually do a proper start X end x, float, start y, end y. So this was good, but we're moving on. Just because I actually want to save that. Okay, good. Here. You know what? Well, I don't like to throw stuff out. Just gonna save that in some scrap file somewhere. Yes, my game dev log is going to be a scrap file eventually. I know this. Okay, so what are we doing? What are you doing with your life? So now this is good, but what we want to do is so it's all going to be one if statement, pretty much. There, and then we're going to return color 1, else return color 2. Now there's things we can do with this. So line there, and then we're going to just line from, let's say 0.1, 0.9. So we've got a line over here. So what if we want to mirror on the X, and then we want to mirror on the Y? Okay, so this is normal right here. We're going to go like this. If not mx and not my. Then do this. Okay. So if mx, what are we going to do? So if we want to mirror this on the mx, oh, I got you. So we can actually make another function because it's just another if statement. So we can actually switch this here. Let's go like this. So if it's both of these, then we don't do anything. If it's not both of those, we don't do anything. If it's mx, then what we do is we just go cx equals absolute value of cx. If my, and then down here, instead of uv.x, we're using cx. And this if statement gets called no matter what. There. So we have the mirror, but that's because we're calling true or false. So let's go false here. On the X. So now it's just on the Y. There we go. want this one to be back to true. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, so there's the lines there, and then if I want to complete the square, no, I'm just thinking, so, oh, okay, then we would swap. Actually, if we want to make a square out of this, hold on, before I go breaking this, let's go like this. I really don't want to put it all in the same line, so I'm going to just add in a thing here. So we're in the middle of the if statement, so we're going to put that like that. And I'm just going to go directly underneath it. Can we do that? There. Okay. And then what we want to do is switch the CX with the CY. And then we'll try calling that square function. Oops. That is not a function. What happened? What did I do? Does this all oh wait, that's because there's no or right there. There we go. What did we get? Oh, we have a little bit of a that looks cool, but it's a little bit, yeah, there's a thing there. Interesting. See, mistakes lead to some cool stuff. That looks cool. Interesting. Alright, let's just F12 it. And here, whoops. Whoops, where are we at? No, we don't want that to be open. Might as well do this all on zoom out, select. This is huge, which is kind of insane, but whatever. So can we shrink this down? Let me shrink it down, right? Yeah, there we go. And then we'll just go like this, kind of over here. Don't ask me why I've been doing my thumbnails like this lately, but yeah. So go like this. This one there. This one there. Floopity floop. I'm gonna get the whole square in there. crop. File. Save as. JPEG. Okay, now we got our thumbnail saved, and I think that's good for a nice short video, about an hour. Alright, thanks for watching. Nobody was around to test my Twitch chat game, but there will be other days. Whoops, not that one. Should we save this one again? Yes, save that. So do I get that back if I go test? And I go back to... Yes, perfect. That's cool. That is a handy thing indeed.